This dreamy, decadent dessert is a perfect infusion of two of my favorite things of all time, apple pie and cinnamon rolls. It uses a nutty walnut pie crust with fresh vanilla and some incredible icing for the most iconic dessert you will ever place on that little kitchen table of yours. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where the vibes are immaculate and the food is just delicious. My name is Yanni, and today we're making cinnamon roll apple pie. Before we begin, do me a little favor and hit the like button, hit subscribe, and tap on our little notification bell. Let's get into it. Let's start by preparing the multi-grain pie dough. In the bowl of an electric food processor, combine the whole wheat flour, all-purpose flour, baking powder, kosher salt, unsalted butter, old-fashioned oats, and 3/4 cups of walnuts. Pulse about 5 to 6 times until a rough dough comes together. Store-bought pie dough, refrigerated or frozen, is completely fine for this recipe. Remove the dough and place it in a gallon-sized plastic bag and refrigerate it for at least 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the apple pie filling. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, combine the sliced apples, dark brown sugar, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, ground cloves, and butter. Apples such as Granny Smith, Cortland, or Fuji work great here. Cover and cook these for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. When the apples are lightly softened, remove them from the heat and then drain about half of the liquid. Allow the apples to cool to room temperature. Remove the pie dough from the refrigerator and roll it to a 1/2 inch thickness. Transfer the pie dough into a 9-inch pie pan, taking care to remove the excess edges and then crimping with a fork. Remove the cinnamon rolls from their can and use a rolling pin to flatten each one. Homemade cinnamon roll dough can also be used here. It is so delicious. Place the apple pie filling into the pie dough. Place the flattened cinnamon rolls over the apples to form a top crust. Bake at 350 degrees until the top and the bottom crust are golden brown, about 45 minutes. Be sure to let the pie cool completely. This is so important. Do this before drizzling the icing. That way the icing doesn't melt when you apply it. While the pie bakes, prepare the vanilla bean icing. In a small bowl, whisk together the powdered sugar, add the butter, milk, fresh vanilla beans, and salt. If you don't have vanilla beans, you can substitute this for 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract as well. Mix all of this all together. Now, of course, let the pie cool, and then spoon or pipe the pre-made icing from the cinnamon rolls over the top. Instead of vanilla bean icing, cream cheese icing is so delicious for a little tangy twist. Serve and enjoy! For the full recipe, head to that description box below or go to cozymeal.com/recipes. There are so many incredible recipes from chefs on Cozymeal, so do not forget to check that out. Babes, if you have not already, don't forget to hit like to this video and hit subscribe to the channel. As always, my name is Yanni, and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios. Mwah! I will see you next time.